Why is someone standing?
I don't know. If this is anything can happen, I'm gonna poop.
Oh my god.
Oh, thank God. I'm standing? Who the fuck doesn't stand at a concert?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Dude, I don't know what this is.
Oh, that's her! I didn't even realize that was her. I thought that was just a random person.
What?